gosh, the breeze is so beautiful. Hello, is there anybody here? Wow, beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Is there anyone here who could really give me a quick service? Hello? Whoa, who's that? Hey, good afternoon. Malo and Lele. Hello. Oh yeah. So, yeah.
Oh, you want a tour? You want a tour?
No, I'm a tourist.
Alright, alright.
So are you looking after this place?
Of course.
Wow,
I don't remember the rest to come behind the tourist. Huh?
Oh, don't
Okay.
worry. The rest will come later.
Okay.
Yeah. But to be the really first come here. So
Oh, yeah.
It is nice. Sorry?
I'm gonna take you to the free thing to see.
Sorry, excuse me?
To the free thing to see.
Are you saying the
Free thing to see.
free sites? Free sites.
Of course.
Oh, okay, beautiful. Oh, can't wait to see.
Come here.
Okay, oh, yeah, okay. We're going this way.
This one.
Wow, oh my goodness.
This one is beggars. Beggars.
Hold it. I really have to check this for myself, sorry. Is it Beckers?
Oh, sorry. Tawanga beggars.
Oh my gosh, is it the flying fox?
All right, the flying fox. Of course.
It's almost the same as us. We call it the bats. So,
Yeah.
is it the bats in yours?
Begs in English.
Oh.
In Tongan, Tawanga begs.
Oh, that's beautiful. Of course. Can I have take a picture?
Yeah.
You can come in, Bex. Yeah, come in, Bex.
Okay, all right.
Okay, say Bex. Oh, beautiful. Wow, thank you for bringing me to the Bex.
This one is begs.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we're gonna move on to another one.
The second one?
Yes.
Okay, can't wait. What is the second one?
This one's called
Oh my gosh.
How your gosh?
No, it's really beautiful. Look. What is this place?
This one is called
What is it?
Tauhi.
Oh, wait.
The other.
I really have to look for myself. I have to really study Tonga.
Oh, you come
Is
with
it the blowholes?
Of course, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's really beautiful.
Beautiful like a swimming baba.
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
Yeah,
It's nice. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at this.
Okay.
Hey.
Wow!
Did you hear that?
Is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Can I do it?
Okay.
Okay, can you hold this? Thank you.
Hey. Well. Did you hear that?
What does it say? It's totally different from yours.
Like this. Hey. And
You're cheating. You're cheating. Anyway,
like this. I know you.
Oh,
Do you hear that?
I really can hear it. Can I take a picture of you in our blowholes?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, say blowholes.
Horse blow.
Wow, it's beautiful. Super nice.
Of course.
That's really nice. Thank you.
And the last one.
What is the last one? Can't wait to see the last one because I really want to get out of here.
Look at this.
Oh, there you go.
This one. That is my. I remember.
What is it?
What I'm gonna talking about, I remember.
Okay, what is it?
Do you know my grandfather? Grandfather of my grandfather?
Your grandfather?
Of course.
Oh my gosh, what happened?
This one is called Habums.
I really have to look for myself, sorry. Or is it Among Us?
Of course, Among Us.
Oh my gosh, the free rocks.
Of course, the
yeah.
rock one like this and walk one like this and walk one like this.
Wow,
The free rocks.
you really can see it, eh? It's like that.
Yeah, that's my grandfather
Man,
was
thank you so much.
rocks.
Can I have a picture of you and your grandfather's rock?
I don't know where's my grandfather's gone.
Oh, it's okay. Okay.
All right.
Say grandfather.
Father Graham.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you so much for your company.
Yeah.
But there is something else I really want to tell you. All the stuff here in Tonga is so damn beautiful. But there are lots of rubbish.
What?
There are lots of rubbish.
Rubbish.
Yeah, you can see there are lots of empty cans and plastics.
What a kind of rubbish? Animal or?
It can be like rubbish that you can see and some rubbish that you really can't see.
The one of the plastic
whatever, you just name it. But that's my concern. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
What a beautiful country. But please get rid of your rubbish.
Remember you're coming next time.
Okay, I will. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Okay, ready,
The Puno.